Today we're going to play another one of the Sharper Image AR Blaster games. This is called BioChemical Island. Boy, that sounds scary. And this is virtual reality, so you just move around to see things. There's your gun. Put your phone in right there. Turn on the gun. Oops, I got a password, so can't let you see that. Let's go find the Bluetooth. We have to turn on Bluetooth so it'll recognize the gun. There it is. Turn it on. It'll see the gun that way. Sometimes if it doesn't see it right off, fire the trigger a few times. It'll find it. Alright, we got that. Let's go find the app. There it is, AR gun right there. Loaded it right off, didn't it? A lot of good games up here. Some of these we already have up here. Others we will have up here. Just bear with us. Hit that AR gun up in the top left corner. Sometimes it changes the background scenery. Okay, level 1. Let's get that one. Killing zombies. Alright. Ooh, look at these nasty guys. A bunch of them, isn't it? Uh-oh, they got me that time, didn't they? Well, let's try it again. What do you say? Sometimes it takes several shots to get them. Uh-oh, I'm out of ammo. Hurry, hurry, Wayne. Load that stuff. Oh, they got me before I could reload. Let's try it again. Be sure you got your arrows on the zombies. Oh, I'm out of ammo again. Hurry! Oh, me. These guys are tearing me up, aren't they? Got me again. Wow. Try it again. Hold down that trigger and shoot auto fire, I think. Hurry, hurry, load it. Quick. Got me again. Wow. I may need some help here. Let's try level 2. Let's see what this does. I'm still on level 1, aren't I? Well, I got to my third clip. They got me then, though. Alright, well, I think that's probably enough this time. Hit the arrow up there and quit the game. Yeah. Back to the lobby. I can change games or go back to the phone. I think I'm going back to the phone at this time. There we go. Alright, I'll see you next time.